ends up coming out somewhere it's not supposed to. You ever done those Coca-Cola burps come out your nose and your eyeballs? Jeez, he could shit, his head's gonna explode. And people who, when they talk to you and they yawn and they keep talking and try and hide their yawn, go, What about yawn talk? You know, they talk and they get a yawn and they keep talking and we're supposed to understand the yawn words. I know, choose. Yeah, good, that's not bad. Well, you know, you talk to somebody, a little bit of spit comes in your mouth when you talk to somebody and it lands on them. And you both see it happen because you both go, whoops, I got him. He's thinking, whoops, he got me. And no one says anything. It's a secret.